Have you guys tried Siawkaw Grillery dito sa Diliman? Since 2022 pa yata kami kumakain ng family ko dito or minsan nagpapadeliver pag tinatamad umalis and mahirap din kasi yung parking sa area. Yung place very unassuming yet charming and giving no frills vibe, so ang homey lang talaga. Super straightforward lang din yung menu nila na Chinese style barbecued meat, seafood or veggies na I think same Siawkaw seasoning lang for all the items which is more of cumin flavor. So for me, masarap naman lahat dito pero ang gusto ko talaga ibida today yung grilled vegetables. Kasi feeling ko lang naman kahit yung mga hindi mahilig kumain ng gulay, magugustuhan tong mga to. Masarap din pala yung chili oil nila dito and self-service ang kuha which means unlimited. Mandatory yung tofu and mushrooms, hindi talaga yan nawawala sa orders namin. Also, nagmumukha silang dry because of the dry rub seasoning nga na Siawkaw. Pero on the inside, moist and juicy pa din naman. Kung gusto niyo ng fish or meat, meron silang bangus, liempo, chicken and sausage. Then sa vegetables, I highly recommend getting the tofu, mushroom, okra, pechay, eggplant, and itong corn. Ang sarap ng pagka-smoky, savory, medyo sweet, and yun nga, macumin talaga. We also like the squash, pero medyo nakakabusog kasi talaga, especially if you eat everything with rice. Another reason why binabalik-balikan namin ang Siawkaw, aside sa masarap dito, is because affordable din yung prices ng food. Sa mga nagpa-plan magpunta dito, hope you guys enjoy, and sa mga regulars, let me know your favorite orders kasi baka hindi pa pala namin na-try.